Girl, you can't even see it. Girl, where is the hairline at? Where do we put it? I don't know. Can you find her? No.
I'm so cozy.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back. Please, you shouldn't even worry about that, girl. What's on the top of my head is the full attraction. Look at her. Look at her. Please, and can you believe it's glueless? Friend, it's glueless. A comb can't go up under here, but it's glueless, believe me. Girl, this hair is turning me upside down and inside out and showing me what it's all about. And I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. This wig on my head is a 13x4 pre-everything kinky straight put on and go glueless wig. Yes, I said glueless wig. The wig is 24 inches long and 150% density. Now, when you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that it comes with 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and it also comes with a silicone band at the back of the wig, which allows the wig to stay in place so it's not flipping and flopping all over the place. It also comes with a piano key elastic band that you're able to remove, and so you could wear this wig completely glueless, girl. No adhesive, no gel, no nothing. When I pulled the wig out of the box, I saw that this wig had everything. When they say pre-everything, they mean pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and it also comes with a very, very thin, it says invisible lace, but we'll go ahead and get into the lace in a little bit. When they say put on and go, sometimes they mean, girl, you can put it on and go if you want to. I was looking for a put on and go, girl. Get up out of here. So if you want to see how I applied this wig and how I got this wig to be glueless and look like this, I mean, come on. Please keep on watching, and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts, some styles that you can do with this wig, and let's go ahead and get started with the base. So I need to put on a wig grip or something. I don't even like this wig grip, but this is what we're using, so I'm gonna pop this on. We're gonna pop on a wig cap right on top. This is a wig. Look how big and fluffy and long this is, girl. Look at this. Let me go ahead and pop this on. I have the elastic band in there. Let's see if it fits. Girl, I'd be nervous. First impressions, it's not too shabby. Okay. I can vibe with it. I see. Look at this hairline. Plucked. Lace, she's a little bit light. She's gonna need a little bit of lace tint. The knots are pre-bleached, but like you can kind of see them if you get close, but not too much. They're not all up in your face, girl. They're not knocking at your front door. Let's just deal with the first step, girl. We need to get this scalp looking like scalp. Girl, don't tell me that this mousse been my skin tone the whole time and I be walking around with an orange peel on my forehead. Look at this lace tint. Girl, look at how that lace is blending into my skin. Like, I'm not even, are we okay? Wow. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and flatten this hairline. So we're just gonna re-flatten it. I'm gonna pull this wig back, okay? But this is what the hairline looks like. Now I'm trying to figure out, am I gonna taper down? What are we gonna do? I don't know, like I don't feel like spraying it down. And I wanna see what the tape will do. Let's see what it's talking about. I think I'm just gonna put these on the ear tabs. I'm not gonna do that. I was thinking about putting it on my whole forehead, but I can't be doing that. But maybe I need to wax stick my edges, because last time I didn't wax stick them and they ended up getting caught on my edges. And I think if I add a little wax stick, they'll just slip right off my edges. So this is the tape here. How you do it is you add the tape to the lace and then you stick it. Okay, so you take the tape, open it on up. Not even pulling the hair back. Hold on, let me pull this hair back. Okay, we're gonna take the lace. Gonna make sure it's stuck, okay? I like to press it, honey. You just take the little blue sticker off. I try to make sure my face stayed oily, so I could easily take this tape off, because baby, when I say it's secure, it is secure. And I'm gonna take it and then pull the lace down and then place it. Okay. Girl, what? It's down, don't tug too hard. Hold on. Oh no, it's coming up, hold on. Oh, it was the wax stick that did it. Okay, I wonder if it'll stick to that. It may look better, hold on. For the opposite side, I'm gonna do it right, and I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar. I don't use alcohol on my forehead because, girl, I like my skin. Alcohol be seeming like a lot. Just some apple cider vinegar, just to get rid of that little residue. We're gonna let that dry. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side, okay? Girl, I feel like I'm an expert now. Make sure she is down. Okay, this side is down. Oh girl, she's much more secure. Now I didn't move it down as low as I needed to, so this part is flopping up. I should have lowered it, but either way, that's why we got the Red by Kiss spray. We just gonna spray it down real quick. Oh, okay. Not my whole forehead, child. Okay, well, okay, I'm just gonna let that sit right there. I love how easy that was though. Just a little tape, not messy. We love to see it. This is a little crazy. Oh, Nadula, girl. You over here trying to impress the girls. I see what you're doing. I catch it and I'm throwing it back to you. I'm about to impress you too. This wig's about to be real cute. Right now, baby, this is glueless. Glueless. What are we talking about? We're gonna lay down some baby hairs, and that's gonna add a little extra security to the roots here. I have nothing to say. It looks amazing. Oh my God. So the only thing that we need to do is kind of conceal this wig cap, because the wig cap is front and center. Okay, it's right here. I be seeing it in my videos, but I don't really be caring. Girl, you can't even see it. Girl, where is the hairline at? Where do we put it? I don't know. Can you find her? No. Okay, so now that that's complete, we can go ahead and sit up and get to styling this hair. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a cut and a little bit of a curl. Okay, y'all, so the hair is completely, well, it's not straight, it's blow dry. So now all we have to do is curl it. Now I was gonna straighten it then curl it, but that's a lot. I just want to keep the texture. Y'all, this is the finished look. Look, I had to recurl the hair because Kinky straight hair, y'all, if y'all don't know, you should already know that Kinky straight hair don't like to keep a curl, girl. She revolts every single time. It is gorgeous. It is fluffy. I probably shouldn't have put that mousse in there because it's making the hair like a little bit, I can feel like the residue from the product. But look at the material. Shout out to AD. Look at the material. And my makeup, period. But this hairline, shout out to Tom Ford. Girl, yes. So let's go ahead and get into some styles and then I'll be back. Now let's take this wig for a test drive and see what she can do. So the styles that I wanted to do obviously are going to be updos, and I need to start with my favorite updo, which is the half up, half down. It was really easy to do with the little tendrils and it looks so good, and that hairline is eating. Of course I need to pull those antennas back because I wanted to see what this hairline was really giving, and look how it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. That lace did not disappoint. Now the next style I wanted to try was a full up ponytail. Now I gotta be honest with you, that back, girl, you gotta make sure that hair cover the back of the head because you're gonna see everything in the back. But the front looks super duper cute, and I wanted to see what it looked like with the tendrils as well. It's a fun little messy hairstyle, and I can imagine if you put a little clip in the back, it'd be super duper cute. And lastly, we have ourselves a little bun. Now I had to cover up that back because baby, my whole cornrows was out in the back. Now y'all let me know which one is your favorite style. Now let's get into my final thoughts on this wig. Now this is a pre-everything Bye Bye Knots wig. Let's see if she's given what they said that she was supposed to give. So this is, it says pre-everything, and yes, it is pre-plucked, it is pre-bleached knots, it is pre-cut lace, and it's a pre-plucked hairline. So it is pre-everything. The knots did go bye-bye. Girl, they're not here, they're not home, they're never coming back. Now is this really a Bye Bye Knots put on and go wig? I would say yes-ish, because y'all already know I gotta use lace tint. I just can't put this on and leave my lace looking the way it is. It's gonna give very much halo. I really don't fancy looking like an extra in Charmed, so I do think this is the closest that a frontal can get to put on and go, because I don't know who lets their frontal fly in the wind. Like who was out here with wings? Let me say the cons. The hair was dry at the ends. It definitely needed a trim, and obviously, like I said before, it definitely needed lace tint. So it needed a little bit of something to make the wig look more like it's fit for me. I really am not an advocate for you pulling a wig out of the box and plopping it on your head. I know the clock out make the girls think that you can do that, but you can't. It's rare that you can do that and it look good. Y'all have asked me to grade hair before and grade wigs. I would grade this wig a 9 out of 10. I would definitely say a 9 out of 10. I was fully impressed with this lace. It was more effortless than I ever imagined. I actually was kind of a little nervous because sometimes the wear and goes don't be wearing and going. Loved it. I want to say shout out again to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because they did a big one with this one. Y'all tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want some more of it? Do you like these sort of wigs? Let me know what you're thinking. Also, let me know which style was your favorite. I would say mine was the high ponytail with the tendrils in the front. Thank you again, like I said, to Nadula Hair. I will leave a link for this wig down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below for your purchasing pleasure, friend. Because the card looks a little bit different when you got a percentage off. So y'all go ahead and check that out. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.